Hello everybody, welcome back to our Reset Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix microphone not working on your VIVO iQOO Neo 7. So first, what we can do is we can clean the microphone port using a non-metallic tool. So make sure to use the soft brush or compressed air, but do not use anything metallic as you can only damage the port and it will be much worse. So after that, what you guys can do is go over to the recorder app and here basically start recording and see if the microphone is working. So as you guys can see, it is. Now what we can also do is basically try and restart the phone. So hold the power button. After that, swipe to restart, and I'll see you guys once the phone is ready to use. Now, after the restart of our device, what we can do is check for software updates. So go over to the settings, now scroll a bit down until you guys see system management and upgrade. It's almost at the bottom. Here click system update, and now as you guys can see, it will check for updates automatically. So now what you guys can do is basically reset the phone. It should help whenever you click erase all data. Then you guys can click clear now, enter the password, and your phone will be back to the factory settings. So that's basically it for the video. I hope it was helpful, and if it was, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.